Hello and welcome. In this walkthrough video, we will restore several Microsoft sample databases into SQL Server 2025 Developer Enterprise Edition. We will do this using SQL Server Management Studio, also called SSMS. SQL Server has a default location it restores databases from. We have to place the downloaded database files from the previous video into the designated default location, so SQL Server can find them. Let's go to the folder location first, which is in Program Files, Microsoft SQL Server, MSSQL17.SQL Server 2025, MSSQL Backup. Click to open the backup folder. You may experience some permission issues despite having administrator access. If you cannot open the backup folder, we can work around that by copying the database files using the terminal. Let's create a folder first in the downloads directory and move all the downloaded database files into it. Right-click and select New Folder, then give it a name like SQL Server Database Backups. Select and move all the downloaded database files into this new folder. Next, open your command prompt and run as administrator. Add the command highlighted in the command prompt terminal, then press the enter key of your keyboard. Open SSMS, right-click on the databases folder inside SSMS and select Restore Database. Click on the device radio button and then click on the mini dots in the square box on its right. Make sure file is already auto-selected for the backup media type. Click on the Add button. This automatically opens up the default SQL Server backup folder. It should contain backup databases to be restored. Select the first database file and click the OK button. The file should load in the backup media box. Click OK button. A message should pop up that the database AdventureWorks 2025 restored successfully. Click OK, and that should restore the database into SQL Server 2025. Right-click Databases folder inside SSMS, and the restored database should be visible. Follow the same steps to restore the other 4 databases. Make sure you wait for the database to be fully restored, and the success message pops up to confirm that for each restore. Also check you can see the restored databases inside the database folder. That's it. Well done. Thank you for watching.